Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In today's Power BI tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to extract the hour of the day from a date and time column using Power Query Editor. By the end of this video, you'll know how to break apart those data times and create a new hour column. Super handy whether you're building time-based reports or just want to understand your data patterns more deeply. Let's dive right in so you can get back to building great dashboards. First things first, make sure you've got your Power BI file open. Now head on up to the Home tab at the top and click Transform Data. That's going to launch the Power Query Editor, which gives you a behind-the-scenes look at your tables and lets you really shape your data before it hits your reports. Give it a second to load in all your queries. It might take a moment if you've got a big data set. Now that you're in Power Query Editor, look over in the panel on the left and pick out the table where your data time column lives. For today's example, let's say you have an order date time column. Maybe this records when each sale came in down to the minute. Click on that column to select it. You want to make sure only this column is highlighted because anything we do next is going to focus right there. If you accidentally select more than one, just click the right one again to refocus. Here, where a little decision making comes in, you have a few options for extracting the hour. It just depends on how you like to work. I'll walk you through each method, starting with the simplest. Take a look at the top ribbon while your column's selected. Click on Transform and then find Date Time column. Hover over Time and you'll see an option for Hour. Give that a click. Power Query does its magic and suddenly you've got a new column pulling just the hour from the original data time. If your data shows 20/24/09/17 you'll see the number 14, which represents 2 p.m. and 24-hour time. Sometimes you might prefer the right-click route, especially if you're already scrolled down in a huge table. Just right-click directly on your data time column header, go to Transform and choose Hour. This does the exact same thing. A new column appears showing the hour from 0 to 23 for every row. Now, if you're someone who likes getting hands-on with formulas, there's a third way to do this. Head to the Add Column tab at the top, choose Custom Column, and in the formula box type DateTime.Hour order date time. What you're telling Power Query here is, hey, pull just the hour out of my data time value. If you're comfortable with a tiny bit of M code, this method is super flexible, and you can even use it as part of more complex calculated columns later. To give you a sense of how this looks, picture a table like this. If the order date time shows 20/24/09/17 you'll get 8. If it's 20/24/09/17 you'll get 23. Simple as that. Once you've created your hour column, don't forget to save your changes. Up on the ribbon, hit Home and then Close and Apply. Power BI will update your data model so you can start using that new hour field in any tables, charts, or measures you want. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got your hour as a fresh new column ready to use for analysis, maybe plotting hourly trends, looking at peak order times, or segmenting by parts of the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Power BI tips and walkthroughs. Got questions or need help with another data transformation? Drop your comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.